Are we live, everybody? Give me a second. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Yes, we are live. Yeah. All good? Alright, everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Remember, trading is a learnable skill when you learn the correct way, everybody. The goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years in an institutional way. What does this mean? As always, you're first an analyst and then you become a trader step by step, right? If you want to get the free ebook, The Trading Secrets, everybody, please visit the website FXBOSSFX.com. It's for free, doesn't cost you a cent. If you didn't receive the free manual, which is this one, I believe, give me a second, everybody. Send me an email to, yes, all right. Give it a second. One more, all right. Send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com, and for other extra webinars, seminars, well, Skype it's ending, right? So we're going to move to Microsoft Teams or something else. Yes, good morning. Any questions? Yes, so David said it's trends, right? Okay, everybody, never forget you're going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have your strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. We're going to have this session on Friday. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Risk disclaimer, this stream it's not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn, everybody. Yes, Darwinex on Friday, alright? And if you want to learn fast, take the next step, sign up with Darwinex Zero, link in the description below, and start learning about your strategy and how you trade. It's $38 per month. Also connect on Skype with profitable traders like you, everybody. Talk to them, analyze the market with them, learn from them. It's for free, alright? Lastly, follow our trading sessions on Costa Capital channel on YouTube, link in the description. That being said, everybody, let's go to and type in the chat, everybody, currency pair and a time frame. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to go to here and we're going to put some text. Okay, now how to trade trends, right? Okay, so number one, I'm going to give you a few examples. Exactly. So number one, trend lines. Yes, you can. Okay, so stop. A few rules, right? So rules. You can build a strategy with those rules, but those are just rules, right, everybody? Number one, stop loss goes on the previous most recent relevant high or low. Number two, take profit until we learn the Fibonacci's. Take profit goes to 1 per 1 at least to 1 per 2, 1.5, okay. Number three, if you can, try to enter at the end of end of retracement, alright? Give me a second. Alright, how to trade trends. Rules, stop loss goes on the previous most recent relevant high or low. Take profit goes to 1, exactly. Okay, give me a second, everybody. Okay, so it's nothing special, right? What those rules are saying basically is that, just an example, if the market is in here, right? Just an example, okay? And you would enter here because of any reason, doesn't really matter, everybody, then stop loss goes on the previous most recent low or high, right? So this is the most recent, whoops, this is the most recent low, everybody, and it says the most recent relevant low, right? Yes, this is what we're going to talk about today. Sometimes the market is like this, right? Sometimes the market is like this, and just an example here too, we're going to color orange, okay, in here, and where is the text? This is not a relevant low. Alright, everybody, this is how you have what it's called a bad reading of the market, alright, or at least not good, and this is why you lose on the trade, alright, and then the market moves your way. You might be correct on the direction, but because you have the stop loss in the wrong place, this is the relevant low. Okay, everybody? Yeah, we're going to check some charts. Hello, Olga, how are you? Olga, I sent you an email, I'm not sure if you read it. Yeah, everybody, what was yesterday, right? Yeah, I had a meeting, I'm sorry, I couldn't make it. We postponed it to Friday. Okay, everybody, back to class. So this is the relevant low. Okay, now take profit goes 1 per 1, alright? So this is easy, just graphically, you know. If this would be the stop loss and background, then yes, unless we learn the Fibonacci's, then profit take should be 1 per 1, you know, or you can go 1 per 2. We're going to clone. Hello Shantana, how are you? And number 3, everybody, if you can try to enter the end of retracement. Try to enter the end of retracement, alright? So 1, 2, 3, how to trade trends. Number 1, stop loss goes on the previous most recent relevant high. This is not a relevant or low, right, in an uptrend. So this is not a relevant low here on the circle. This is the relevant low. Number 2, take profit goes 1 per 1, 1 per 2, 1 per 1.5. There is no right or wrong. And number 3, if you can try to enter the end of retracement. Yes, you can build a strategy with those rules, everybody, okay? No, you can use trend lines, not the problem. There is no right or wrong, everybody, makes sense? This is just okay. So let's let the people on YouTube. So Olga or Shantana, type in the chat a currency pair and the time frame, and we are going to talk about, everybody, the issue, alright, that affects the reading of retail traders, reading of the chart, and it's called, exactly, it's not a relevant low. It is a low, but it's not a relevant low on the uptrend. So you are correct on the direction, everybody, but if you put the stop loss in the wrong place, then the market is going to stop you out, and now it's going to go away. Makes sense, everybody? Course catalog, everybody. Somebody's asking for the course catalog. Did you receive the course catalog, everybody? Those are also the results, if you want, you know, my FXBOOK results from market wave signals, Fibonacci signals, crypto fund performance. Okay, everybody? Did you receive? Send me an email, everybody. Basic course, Forex course 101, it's all about the market. Forex course 202, it's all about the business. Forex course 303, it's all about the trader, Heraldo. You know? And then are the extra courses, Fibonacci Mastery course, Currency Index course, Learn how to understand the risk course, Learn how to hedge as a pro, we are in this right now, 6 weeks. The how to build a trading system workshop. There you go, the lazy crypto portfolio course, and then the elite product. This is not for beginners anyway. Okay. Yes, send me an email. Olga, yes, received, very good. Hedge fund trader, Olga, hedge fund trader, Shantana, type in the chat a currency pair and a time frame. Let's try to do a live practice, everybody. Let's try to trade some trends. Don't worry, there is no right or wrong, alright? On Friday, I'm going to show you Darwinex, alright? What you get for 38 bucks. Now, my FX books and Darwinex are similar. My FX book, it's for free. Shantana, you're not going to make any money on the monthly, believe me. Everybody try to put this into practice, alright? The what you are learning. Why not, boss? Because you don't have billions of dollars to put the stop loss on the monthly trend. That's why. My FX book and Darwinex Zero are similar, but with Darwinex Zero you can get funded. Make sense? This is the only benefit of Darwinex Zero. We're going to check on Friday, right? Daily, alright. Boss, what do I suggest? If 38 bucks, it's not a lot of money for you if you live in Europe, Australia, Canada, USA, then 38 bucks, you know what I mean? What is this, a pizza or a hot dog, chili hot dog? Make sense? Then on Friday, not to waste too much time. Okay, everybody, let's open euro dollar on the daily chart, right? Euro dollar on the daily chart. Okay. Should you, talking about trends, should you buy or should you sell? And now the game starts. What's the game, boss? The game is, are you learning to have the correct read? That's the game. If you don't have the correct read of the chart, makes sense, everybody? You are reading a chart like a book, you know, you are reading the chart like you're trying to understand what is what, you know, is it in an extension, is it in a retracement, makes sense? You're trying to understand, okay, what is what? Make sense? And what complicates the thing to the retail trader or a beginner trader, you know, institutional too, is that not every high and low is relevant. So I'm asking you already a tricky question on the daily, you know, do whatever you want. I'm the student, you are the teacher, and I'm asking you, should we buy the uptrend or should we sell the downtrend? Boss, it's making higher highs, higher lows. Yes, but not every high and low is relevant, so make sense, everybody? This is the why, this is one of the many whys why you lose as a beginner. You're not a trader yet, but as a beginner analyst, why you lose? Because you are looking at the chart. Now this is live experience, this is a live class. you're looking at the chart and you are assuming that it's in an uptrend, it's you're looking here, whatever, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, lower low, and then higher high, and your brain is assuming, maybe yes, maybe not, I don't know, I'm live, your brain is automatically assuming, oh, let's buy, it's in an uptrend. And this is how you jump on the wagon. Make sense, everybody? You are jumping on something, thinking that, believing that, no, I'm not saying anything, I don't know. But I'm telling you, there is a process to chart reading. Make sense, everybody? There is a process to chart reading. Hedge fund trader Shantana, should we buy the uptrend or should we sell the downtrend? What should we do? Boss, how do you know? You need to chart, right, everybody? You need to chart. You need to build the knowledge that you are learning in here. You need to chart, right? Hedge fund trader Olga, hedge fund trader Shantana, should we buy or sell? Buy the uptrend on your dollar daily chart or sell the downtrend? Boss, how do you know? You chart, you use the knowledge from previous lessons and you chart it on the chart. Make sense, everybody? Trends move in the same way. Trends move in the same way. Let's chart the monthly, weekly. Well, we don't need to chart the monthly. The daily, it's enough. Make sense, everybody? You need to understand what is what, right? Not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platform. I'm going to answer the question. The trend, so you have the rules, everybody. The trend moves in exactly the same way as the market wave. So the trend is going to have an extension, all right? And then it's going to have a retracement, and then it's going to have an extension too. This is how the trend moves too. Make sense, everybody? So yeah, you have on euro dollar daily chart, you have the market wave, okay, and then you have the short-term trends. Does this make sense? Yeah, everything starts from the monthly bands. Agreed? Okay. Now, not to get too, or maybe we should. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so how to figure trends, right? Give me a second, everybody. I believe I don't have the right settings, preferences, general. Oh, it's alright. It's alright. I believe I'm missing data on Forex, but anyway, this would be the upper band, right? Okay. Now, if you go from the monthly to the weekly, and if you zoom out, we can chart the market wave, right? Extension, retracement, extension, lower low, retracement, lower high, extension, lower low, retracement, lower high, and then lower low. This is the market wave on the weekly, right? Then we go on the daily. Okay, and talking about the daily, we are looking for exactly the same thing, the same structure. Agreed, everybody? So, do we agree that you can start from here? All right. Do we agree that if we start here on the left or on the right, just not to waste time, you're going to get this with practice, everybody. If you start on the left, because it's a relevant high on the weekly, do we agree that you are going to see the change in the short-term trend? Do you see everybody? Do you agree? Do we agree? you're seeing a change in the short-term trend, right? On the market wave on the daily. Can you see, everybody, the market wave on the daily? Higher high, higher low, yellow, and then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. No, it's just practice, 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 and then higher high, higher low again. Just an example, right? And then lower lows, the new extension now. Lower low, lower high again, beautifully, you know, down to here. Okay? So if you can see this, then you can also see that the market, you know, when you are, it takes some experience, but for you not to waste time doing this stuff, you can see that the market is going to break those highs and push back up, right? Can you see, everybody, that the market is going to break this market wave on the daily high, the market is going to break this market wave on the daily high? Can you see, everybody? It's going to break those and it's going to push up until up in here on the right arrow. So if you don't want to waste time, practice is all good, but if you don't want to waste time, you can then also see that whatever you're going to chart, then the market is going to break the... So if you want to chart higher highs, higher lows, then starting from this arrow up in here, you can see that also that the market is going to break those lows, right? It's going to break this low, it's going to break this low, it's going to break this low. Can you see it? Yeah, this is kind of a trick, right? Okay, everybody? Alright, so we're going to start from the second arrow, okay, and we are looking for the blue first. Okay, what is the blue? Is the blue the market wave on the daily? By the way, we're going to change to yellow. Is the yellow the market wave on the daily, or is the yellow the short-term trend on the daily? Extension, retracement, now I need to zoom in. I need to zoom in to see a change in the short-term trend. There is no uptrend. Now high, low, high. This would be high to low, low to high. Okay. Is the yellow the short-term trend on the daily, or is the yellow the market wave on the daily? Retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Agreed, everybody? I'm looking for the change in the short-term trend. Extension, high, not a low, high. This is not a retracement. You need to pay attention to the detail, everybody. Low to high, there is no low, low to high, so this is not a trend. Low to high, high to low, low to high. This is so. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. So this goes here. Alright, everybody? What is the yellow, YouTubers too? Is the yellow the market wave on the daily, or is the yellow the short-term trend on the daily? I'm not going to tell you. So, but can we agree that the market broke the yellow, the down yellow, whatever you think it is, right? So we are looking for now what? For the up, right? Alright, let's go step by step. Student traders on YouTube, what is the yellow that you are seeing? Is the yellow the market wave on Euro-dollar daily chart before you go to the understanding what is a trend? Or is the yellow the short-term trend? What's the yellow? No Ferrari for you until you get the understanding of what is the market wave, what is the short-term trend. No Ferrari for you ever. Forget about the Ferrari. Yeah, maybe I'm thinking to go on Instagram, you know what? I mean, privacy is privacy, right? Boss, how many Ferraris you have? Privacy online, guys. I don't know, everybody. Olga says short-term trend. No, it's the market wave. Okay, everybody? The yellow is the market wave. Okay, everybody? The yellow is the market wave. Why? Great question. If you say that the yellow is the short-term trend, then do we agree? Olga, listen up. If we say, so I'm learning, right? And I'm thinking, oh, the yellow is the short-term trend, okay? If the yellow is the short-term trend, how can I chart then the market wave? Wouldn't be the market wave on the daily, if the yellow is the short-term trend, wouldn't be the market wave on the daily the red, which is the market wave on the weekly? Hello David, how are you? If I say the yellow is the short-term trend on the daily, and I can say this, I'm retail, right? I'm learning. So how am I going to chart the market wave then? You know, from the daily. Wouldn't I go on the daily and I would say, all right, if this is the extension, you know, now you cannot take this, now you cannot take this low because it must be a lower low. Make sense, everybody? The yellow is the market wave on the daily. It's in the manual, every single time frame has its own short-term trends and has its own market wave. Alright? The yellow is the market wave on the daily because you can see the short-term trends inside the yellow. Agreed, everybody? Olga, does this make sense, Olga? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Look at the short-term trends inside the yellow. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Higher high, oh, not this one. Higher high, higher low in here. So we need to go down to here. Alright, everybody? So this will be green, right? Clear, got it. Alright. As I said to a student trader on the other streaming platform, now Ferrari for you until you understand and learn and know what is what. Okay, everybody? We're going to get there. Give me a second. We're going to get there step by step. Okay? Do we agree that the market broke the downtrend line and that the yellow down market wave on the daily changed? Meaning we were stopped out on the market wave and this down market wave became an up market wave, right? Boss, how do you know? Look at the chart. If this is the yellow market wave high, the relevant one, didn't the market break? Did the market break the down yellow market wave? Yes, it did. So my brain needs to reverse now. Now I'm going to look for extensions, retracements, and the new extension. Agreed, everybody? So I'm going to go down where the market wave starts. Alright, I'm going to go down when the market wave starts, and I'm looking for the change in the short-term trend. Do we agree that the first change is up in here, high to low, lower high, lower low? Do we agree that this is the first change in the short-term trend? So the yellow market wave is going to be extension up to here, then the retracement, and then higher high again, extension up to here, then it's going to be high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, retracement again, right? Whoops. And give me a second, everybody. Extension, retracement, extension, right? On the yellow. Is there a change in the short-term trend, everybody? High to low, lower high. It's not that visible, but still, right? You know, yet you need to pay attention to the detail. High to low, lower high, and then lower low, down to here. It's still a retracement, everybody. You cannot pick and choose. No, I'm sorry. For me, this is not. It doesn't exist for me. You need to follow the rules. Extension, retracement, and oops. So this would be the next extension on the up market wave, the yellow one. Give me a second. Up market wave, the yellow one, and this would be the last up market wave. I mean the last extension. Do we agree so far, everybody? Do we agree that this will be the correct way? This will be the only correct way. I mean, you can have different price action if you are on trading view compared to JForex, but if you would follow the rules, those would be the relevant highs and lows on the market wave on euro-dollar daily chart before you can interpret and see the trends. So far so good, everybody? Talk to me. Student traders on YouTube, you too, talk to me. All good? Up market wave. Now up to here it was easy, right? Then what happened? Do we agree that similarly from the past the market broke the relevant low on the up market wave? Do we agree on this? Lambo too, no Lambo for you. No Ferrari until you understand what is what. Somebody's asking what about the Lambo? No Lambo for you too. No Ferrari, no Lambo, no Bentley, whatever you like. No supercars for you. Forget about strategies, everybody. Where is the Douglas pen? Talking about, it doesn't really matter retail or institutional, every professional trader, every good, consistently profitable professional trader, it's also a good analyst, right? Because you are retail, you're one person. But not every good analyst, it's also a good trader. Does this make sense? Reading charts is the foundation. You cannot become a good trader if you don't have a good, a good read on the chart, a good understanding. Make sense? You are going to have huge issues, not uncommon, fair enough, not uncommon. You are going to have huge issues. You are going to have huge issues. What is that, Jesus? You are going to have huge issues in determining and trading the correct risk in the Forex course 202. We're going to give you the millions and the billions, and you are going to be there, and you are not going to be able to execute the proper risk. Why? Because you are going to be scared. Confidence comes from having a read. Make sense? When you're going to have a good read on the chart, with time your brain is going to understand that, oh, this is high probability because of this and this and that, and I have the experience, and this is low probability because of this and this and that. So you need to have a good, everything starts with the Forex course 101. Forget about strategy. I mean, come on guys, you know, I know some of you, 5 years in the markets, not judging you, not uncommon. 5 years on the markets and been through 200 courses, you read 500 books, and it's not going for you, right? You need to clean the mess in your brain. Does this make sense? Having a great read, and there is no perfection, nobody's perfect, but the better you can read the chart, the higher the probability. Does this make sense? So no Lambo for you either. Alright. Okay, everybody, so do we agree that then this would be the first down market wave leg? Do we agree? If the market broke the relevant low on the up market wave, then the green leg would be the first down market wave leg. Agreed? Type in the chat, everybody, yes, I agree, or type in the chat, no, I don't agree. If you agree that this is the correct market wave, following the rules which are black and white, not subject to interpretation, you know, this would be the first high. And so let's use circles. This would be the first high of the down market wave, and this would be the first relevant low of the down market wave. Boss, how do you know? I know because I can see the change in the short-term trend. Agreed, everybody? Student traders on YouTube, talk to me. Do we agree? Relevant high of the down market wave leg made a lower low. Made a lower low. How do I know? Because I can see the change in the short-term trend. Agreed, everybody? Now, do we also agree that theory, extension, retracement, extension, do we agree that the relevant highs and lows are those on the down market wave? Do we agree? Do we agree that this is the relevant high on the down market wave? Agree, yes, agree, all good. So extension, retracement, and now this is now the next extension. Agreed? Okay. Yes, you need to do all of this as a beginner trader. You're not a trader yet, you're an analyst. As a junior analyst, you need to do all of this work for you to understand now that we are still in a down market wave, you know, and this down market wave is doing what right now? Is it extending? Is it extending or is it retracing on the short-term trend? Is it extending or is it retracing on the short-term trend? And now finally we can go to how to trade trends. Rules. Stop loss goes on the previous relevant low. Take profit goes 1 per 1 or 1 per 2, 1 per 1 at least. You don't want to lose more than you make. And if you can, try to enter the end of retracement. So now that we're clear that the short-term trend, the yellow one, what is it doing, the yellow one? Going up or down? Retracing, very good. Agreed, everybody? Now, here is the issue. I need to find out what are the relevant highs and lows. Make sense, everybody? Not that difficult. The same rules apply. Low to high, but there is no low. Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. Give me a second, it's going to be clear to you. High to low, green, low to high, maybe orange, low to high, and high to low, what? Okay. Black, red, purple, green, blue, maybe blue, right? Blue. Okay, everybody. So if you would buy the market right now, just an example, should your stop loss be on the blue line circle? Should your stop loss be on the green line circle? Should the stop loss be on the violet, red-violet circle, or should your stop loss be on the yellow-black circle? Only one is the correct answer. Only one is the relevant low of the short-term uptrend, and this read of the market, it's what making you lose, because the market is going to stop you out on the not relevant low, and then it's going to go your way. We can all identify market waves and trends. It's relatively easy, you know. So you are correct on the direction, but because the stop loss is in the wrong place, the market is going to stop you out and is going to go in your direction. Potent neither. Wrong answer. Or the most closest one. No. No. Everybody, if you would be here, right? Thanks for participating, everybody. Please participate. There is no right or wrong. We're here to learn. Can you see everybody? If you would be here before, right? And you would enter this counter trend line break, the red one, just an example, and you would put the stop loss under the green orange circle, wouldn't the market stop you out? And as soon as the market stops you out, picked up the right direction. David, the fourth one. Olga, yellow black. Applause to Olga. The yellow black, everybody. The yellow black is the relevant high. Okay. Potent, thank you for being here. Is this your first time, please go back to the channel and watch the recordings. Okay, everybody. If this is the relevant low of the short-term uptrend, and if this is the relevant high of the short-term uptrend, this is the relevant low of the short-term uptrend, and now we are waiting for the market to form a high, okay, and when it forms, then the correct uptrend, you know, is the yellow one. Those rules are black and white, not subject to interpretation. Does this make sense, everybody? You are losing, especially if you're on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, 50-minute chart, you are losing here big because you believe that everything is relevant to what you do. It's not. Does this make sense? I'm not asking you, do you agree with me? I'm asking you, does this make sense? Many times you are correct on the direction, but because, not judging anybody, but because you don't understand knowledge-wise, right? Douglas, I'm not going to read the comment, but anyway, you know, knowledge-wise, you believe that everything is relevant, that every high and low is relevant, that everything is an uptrend. It's not. Make sense, everybody? You need to study the charts and practice the understanding that not everything is relevant to the pattern that you are trading. Why not? Because an uptrend is a sequence of highs and lows. Does it make sense? You have many highs and lows in between, but none of those blue are lower than the yellow higher low uptrend, right? Low, the definition of the uptrend, low to high, higher low. Agreed, everybody? The definition of the uptrend? So you have multiple lows in here, but not one of those. It's lower than this low. Agreed? So if none of those is lower than this low, but those are lows, yes sir, but they're not relevant to your stop loss. You are not trading the blue, you are trading the yellow. Does this make sense? And similarly, the same logic goes to the highs. You know, a trend is a sequence of higher highs, higher lows. Do you agree, everybody? It's common sense, right? A trend is a sequence of higher highs, higher lows. Every time that the market makes a new higher high, it must make a new higher low. And after the new higher low, it must make a new higher high. It's a sequence. Yes, this is practice, 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 practice. So beginner traders, you're not a trader yet, you're an analyst, retail, you know, we lose in here because we fight with the market. You know, oh, let's buy in here and lower low and going to short the market and higher high. Make sense? If I would just learn, and this is a learnable skill, to understand and put the stop loss down to here. When I'm going to enter the market anyway in here, you can enter the market in here, the stop loss goes down to here, you know, then I wouldn't be stopped out. And lastly, you know, not always, but most of the time the market is going to go my way. Potent, thank you, agreed. Okay, everybody? No Lambo for you, no Ferrari for you, unless you learn unless you learn how to have a great read or a good read on the chart. And some of you are late to the lesson today. Me and Olga and Shantana, we went to the, you know, we started like this, everybody, with no charts, no lines. We started like this, you know, everything was blank, you know. I'm not sure if I can, I'm going to open a new one. Euro, dollar, and give me a second. This is how we started the lesson. That this was the chart, and I was asking Olga and Shantana, okay, this is the chart. Should I buy the uptrend? The rules are simple, are not difficult. Should I buy the uptrend or should I sell the downtrend? Does this make sense? Because we tend to assume that, oh, you know, buy the uptrend. Make sense, everybody? So we went back to the chart, we went on the weekly chart, we charted the weekly market wave first, you know, and then from the weekly market wave we went on the daily. On the daily chart we've seen that the market wave is down, extension, the yellow one, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Then we've seen that the market broke the down market wave, pushed up to the up market wave, and lastly the market broke the up market wave and pushed into the down market wave. And now this green down market wave, it's in a retracement, which means that the shortened trend, it's making higher highs, higher lows. Does this make sense? And the rules are not that difficult, but you need to do, somebody was asking, oh, should I need to do this, all this work? Sure. You know, to learn this, you know, how to trade trends rules, stop loss goes on the previous most recent relevant high or low. In this case is the low. If you would be trading this mess here, you would be stopped out. Agreed, everybody? If you would have a great read or the correct read that, oh, the relevant low on the uptrend, the yellow one, is this one, you would have your stop down here. Even better, it would be down here. Because all of this, it was a retracement. The market didn't make a hard high. This is not a hard high, this is not a hard high, and that's not a hard high. All of this, it was a retracement, so the stop loss was down here originally. Now, I don't know what is going to happen, but just theoretically, the next retracement is going to start, and if it's going to push back up, then on the next retracement, the stop loss goes, whoop, this is the most recent relevant low of the yellow uptrend when the market is retracing. Potent, makes sense to me. Well, to me too, right? It takes some time, download all of these lessons and re-watch it a few times, everybody. Partner up. Everybody, you can connect on Skype with the profitable traders. Okay, here's my Skype education FXBOSS. It's for free, doesn't cost you a cent. Okay, you can connect with those guys and analyze. We have different groups on Skype. Everything is for free, don't worry. You know, you can connect with the guys and analyze chart together. You can talk to more experienced guys, you know. Some of them are professional traders. Okay, most of them are advanced in the Forex course to the institutional trader course. Okay, but partner up, you know. It's easier, make sense, everybody? It's much easier if somebody can confirm, or I'm doing this by myself, but 3 traders are telling me, oh, I believe you are not charting in the correct way, and the other one, oh, I believe you are not charting in the correct way, and the third one is going to tell me, I believe you are not charting in the correct way. If I'm smart and not being stubborn, I'm going to say, thank you very much, guys. Obviously, I'm not charting in the correct way. Does this make sense? It's like going to the doctor. If one doctor says that you have a cough, you can doubt, right? Say, oh, maybe yes, maybe no. I don't agree. But if you go to 3 doctors, different cities, and all of 3 tell you, no, you have a cough, then does this make sense? Now, if one doctor says you have a cough and the 2 others say no, you don't have a cough, then you would look for another opinion. Agreed, everybody? Make sense? In trading works the same. If you want to check your chart, check your strategies, check your whatever you do, ask somebody for an opinion, you know? I mean, it doesn't cost you anything, right? Okay, everybody, see you back tomorrow. And on Friday we are going to see a little bit of Darwinex, and we're going to talk about how to build a strategy. Yes. Okay, everybody, thank you for your time. Yes, download the recordings. Alright? See you tomorrow. Thank you very much. No homework today. No homework for you, alright? See you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.